Today on Mom's Dinner, we're going to be going over how to break down an entire rotisserie chicken, as well as a way to shred your chicken easily and quickly. You're going to start with your entire rotisserie chicken. Have a really sharp knife handy. Find the backbone of your chicken and then run your knife along that seam. Next, you're going to find the joint between the leg and the breast. Run your knife along that seam. Then between the breast and the wing, again, run your knife along that seam. Then your breast should pull away easily from the chicken. There you have it, one breast. Repeat that process on the other side to get both breasts off the chicken carcass. Next, we're going to take the wings off. Simply pull the wing to the front of the chicken to pop the joint and then run your knife along the joint. Repeat for the other side. Now we're going to take the legs. Pull the leg up to pop the joint and then run your knife along the joint. There you have it. Repeat for the other side. Lastly, we're going to take the thighs off. Those should just pop right off the back side of the chicken carcass. Lastly, you will have some white meat and some dark meat left on the carcass. Go ahead and pick that off because you do not want to leave that good meat sitting on the carcass before you throw it away. Now that you have all the pieces broken down, we're going to show you a really easy way to shred your chicken quickly. Place warm chicken, again, it needs to be warm or hot chicken, into your stand mixer fitted with a paddle attachment. Lock the bowl in place and then just turn it on to 1 or 2, one of the lower speeds. Shred it for about 20 to 25 seconds and there you have it. Really delicious, easy shredded chicken to put in your fridge to make dinners all week.